Greetings, mortal. I am the Arbiter, and I have been sent to guide you on your quest for the perfect breakfast. This is not a mere culinary pursuit, for it is written in an ancient covenant prophecy that the one who eats the perfect breakfast shall be granted great power and strength. The first step in your journey is to acquire the necessary ingredients. The key to a perfect breakfast is a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. You will need eggs, bacon, toast, and a glass of milk. The eggs represent the strength and resilience of the covenant, for they are rich in protein and provide sustained energy throughout the day. You must crack them carefully, for the yolk is precious and must not be broken. The bacon symbolizes the cunning and strategy of the covenant, for it is salty and savory, and provides the necessary fuel for battle. It must be cooked to perfection, with just the right amount of crispiness. The toast is the foundation upon which the breakfast is built, representing the steadfastness of the covenant. It must be toasted to a golden brown, with just the right amount of butter. Finally, the glass of milk represents the purity and unity of the covenant. It is a symbol of nourishment and vitality, providing the necessary calcium and vitamins for a strong body and mind. As for the true facts and dates, the tradition of eating breakfast dates back to ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and Greeks. In the United States, breakfast became a popular meal during the Industrial Revolution, as workers needed a hearty meal to sustain them throughout the day. Eggs have been consumed by humans for thousands of years, with evidence of egg consumption dating back to ancient Rome. Bacon, as we know it today, was first produced in the United States in the 17th century and became popular in the early 20th century. Toast dates back to ancient times when bread was toasted over an open flame. In the modern era, the first automatic toaster was invented in 1893. Milk, of course, has been a staple of the human diet for thousands of years, with evidence of dairy farming dating back to 4000 BCE in ancient Mesopotamia. And so, mortal, I have imparted to you the knowledge necessary to create the perfect breakfast. May you use this knowledge wisely, and may it grant you the strength and power you seek. Go now, and may the covenant guide your path.